So we finally went on our vacation to Cancun, Mexico, much longer after we were denied boarding on our attempt to go to Morocco. So we passed the check-in gates, so no Ryanair bullshit here. We're going to Cancun now. Watch out for the full video. We're about to pop in off, whatever that means. Peace. This video, however, is about our fantastic all-inclusive resorts. Make sure you're subscribed so you can see everything about our trip. There are a lot of fun moments to show, a lot of insights, and who knows, you might just be planning your next trip to Mexico soon. And keep an eye out for one of the most romantic proposals we had the pleasure of seeing at the beach.
You want to drown? Get out of there, get out of there. Come.
Water, soda, beer, champagne.
Champagne.
This one is your bracelet and this is the room key.
Oh, okay.
We'll tap this one.
Oh.
Yeah, tap it in the...
Oh.
Please.
Wow. On the light, please. The room, guys. The room. It's just as I wanted. Laislavo, thank you so much. What's your name?
Alberto.
Alberto.
Now, your room comes with the ocean view.
Oh, baby, open. Let me. Wow.
Wow.
I didn't expect this. I knew I picked the ocean view, but I didn't know it to be this beautiful.
Sunrise, this side, sunset.
This
The hotel
side.
pampered you with this view.
Wow.
Tomorrow you're gonna see how beautiful it is.
Oh, thank you so much, Alberto.
Closet, iron and iron board, and safe deposit box.
Okay.
In YouTube and up front, fly home, you can
Oh,
check
okay.
it from here, or you're gonna be live over there, right?
I'm excited already. Baby, happy wife, happy life.
Exactly. I know it.
Okay.
Now, this minivan comes with water, sodas, a couple of beers. Very important. Beers is once a day.
Okay.
Water and soda 24/7. Please
Okay.
do us a favor and download the application.
What's the name of the app?
Oleo Cancun Playa. In the shower, vanity mirror, hair dryer, towels. Anything else that I can do for you before I leave?
Nothing.
Oleo Cancun is an affordable, luxury, 4-star, all-inclusive resort that gives the full experience without being expensive. With our yellow wristbands, we enjoyed unlimited access to drinks and snacks throughout the resorts, from the swim-up pool bar, the lobby bar, and other on-site bars. All meals were covered under the all-inclusive plan. We could eat breakfast, lunch, and dinner at any of their restaurants, and also grab something quick or light from the snack bar anytime. I don't really care about vacations, but happy wife, happy life. Right?
Right. Happy wife, happy life. See how happy I am now. Is your life not happy?
Left to me, I'll just be at home, doing my work, playing my video game, just calling my friends, family. But she liked the vacation. We come for vacation in at the Cancun, and we have a good time.
And she is happy. That's Spanish enough.
We
Jamaican.
yeah. So we didn't go to Mexico just to stay in a resort. Our everyday was filled with different outdoor activities. So make sure to subscribe if you haven't so you don't miss out on our exploration videos. Now let's go back to the video about the resorts. Right next to the jacuzzi is my favorite of the 3 restaurants. Hakka is a Chinese restaurant and it's my favorite because of the taste. If you like spicy food like me, then this is where you want to have most of your meals. It's not really as spicy as I would want it, but yet the unique taste of their dishes still work to make it very appetizing.
Say it's good again.
It's good.
You like it?
It has it's a little bit confusing, but it's good.
Okay.
It's
I'll try that.
A little bit of what spice is this? Do I like it? But then you realize that it's nice.
That's the Japanese tomato I asked you to order.
It's really nice. I like it. My best meal here was the Mongolian beef. Try it and let me know what you feel in the comments. Next is the buffet-style international cuisine restaurant, Azul. They offer a mix between Mexican and international meals. The food here looks quite appetizing, but definitely not our favorite option. Baby, you enjoyed it?
Oh, yes and no. So this tasted really nice. I like this. It tasted so natural. The eggs, I don't like the taste. It's no salt. And yeah, I enjoy the sausages, but I don't like this and I don't like this. So it's kind of, I didn't finish my meal because I only liked the juice and the sausages. I don't like the eggs and the hot chocolate. How about you?
For me, it's the same. This tea, I don't understand. It is quite. It doesn't have a good taste, and the egg tasteless. The sausage. I don't recommend this place. I think this place is for people that, like for white people who don't really like to taste flavors and the spices and pepper, salt. This place, I don't like it. But I really enjoyed this. This is natural. This is an orange juice that I go for the thing that you I forgot the juice maker, I think. So this is really nice. Apart from this, I didn't enjoy anything here. So this is the only restaurant that's open for breakfast, and we clearly did not like their breakfast menu. However, we cut them some slack after we tasted their afternoon menu.
This doesn't taste bad. It's not so bad.
So you like it?
And then plantain. I like it. It's better today.
We particularly liked the rice and beef sauce menu. Try us and let us know what you think in the comments. If you want a little extra elegance for dinner, then check out Alma. The Mediterranean-style restaurant sits right by the sea, which makes it perfect for a sunset dinner and a glass of wine. Dinner at Alma is only served in the evening, typically around 5:30 or 6:30 p.m. until 11 p.m. And the dress code leans into relaxed chic, so it's a nice occasion to get dressed up a bit. Oh, please note that sleeveless is not allowed for men, and that's the same with all other restaurants because I saw someone literally get kicked out for not dressing appropriately. If you want a memorable food and oceanfront ambience experience, especially at sunset, then this is a great pick for you. Our favorite meal here was the beef roll. Try it and let us know what you feel in the comments. Heading back to the pool, if you've swam for so long and you're feeling a little bit hungry, there's no need to go all the way to one of the restaurants. You can rather go to the snack bar and have something light to eat. The menu holds fast food-like foods like fries, wraps, and the Mexican popular tacos. Oleo Cancun is located in Cancun's famous hotel zone. That means you're at the beachfront on the Caribbean side, but still inside the main tourist strip with good access to beaches, lagoon, nightlife, and transport. It's only 10 to 15 minutes by car from Cancun International Airport, which makes arrival and departure much easier. Less time in transit and more time for fun.
Hola! Hola, mi amigos! Gracias, monchos!
For people who don't speak Spanish, we found it easy to navigate the town whenever we used their public transport system. It was very insightful seeing the different classes of neighborhoods and getting a glimpse of their beautiful, colorful culture.
Amigos, at the ancient times, when the Maya ruler died, they believed that Maya ruler reborn as God.
Maya.
Los tiempos antiguos, cuando el rey Maya moría, ellos creían que renacía como Dios.
The beach alone is enough to make the entire trip worth it. The view is lovely, the sand is white and beautiful, and the water is so crystal clear. There's no way you can be in a bad mood when you're here. The waves, the warm breeze, it's obviously a stress reliever. Even if I didn't do a single tour or even left the resort, this beach alone would have validated the whole vacation.
Was that it? Nice. Alright, go.
Gotta say yes now. The helicopter is going to do something. This helicopter kept hovering and I was sure it would release fireworks when she says yes, making this almost as romantic as my own proposal. But only God knows why it was hovering and I'm still wondering why till now. I made an enemy at this resort and it was this guy. I didn't want to be reminded that I had life outside this resort, but... Oh no. Have you ever experienced this sadness yourself? Oh no. Now I'm back to the real world. Anyway, this is how much we spent on our trip, and please note that we left from Calgary, Alberta, and the flight is included in this fee. Thank you, and please subscribe.